adoption of single-use technologies in the biopharmaceutical manufacturing industry is growing at a rapid pace of greater than 25% per year. However, while the use of these technologies has a positive environmental impact on resources such as water and energy, the amount of single-use plastic consumed and subsequently incinerated or buried is increasing and is expected to grow to more than 112,000 tons by the year 2025. As a leading supplier of single-use components and assemblies, we take our environmental responsibility seriously. Our goal has been to provide customers with a solution to recycle the plastic, helping them to attain waste and recycling goals. Great idea, but right away we were faced with three significant challenges. First, many of the products are made from multiple plastics and materials that cannot be easily separated using standard recycling systems. Second, this waste is often classified as biohazardous and cannot be transported and recycled without first being sterilized. Third, today's recycling business generally does not allow for traceability throughout the system, leading to potential ethical and labor-related risks associated with further processing of the plastic. We are pleased to announce that we have met these challenges through an exclusive partnership with Triumvirate Environmental, an organization that has developed a unique process to recycle plastic products into lumber to be used in the construction industry. This first-in-kind process addresses the hurdles for recycling of biopharmaceutical materials: the ability to sterilize and recycle biohazardous waste, enable single-stream recycling, and allows 100% traceability of the waste. Over the last 2 years, with fewer than 15 participants, 1,000 tons of single-use waste has been recycled. This represents a significant reduction in their incinerator and landfill waste streams, resulting in a decrease of greenhouse gas emissions by more than 700 tons of carbon dioxide. With the help and partnership of Triumvirate, we will continue to look at expanding this recycling effort globally. This program, along with other programs such as green chemistry and packaging reduction, is one of the many ways in which we lead the industry to help improve its environmental footprint. To learn more about how to manage the environmental impact of single-use biopharmaceutical products, please contact us. Thank you.